Just as the title suggests, the episode indicates, Vaxart stock is on the rise after breaking out of the pennant pattern it has been in for some time now. As I mentioned in previous episodes, Vaxart's share price has been getting squeezed between ever narrowing highs and lows for a while, and over the last several days, it has broken past that resistance and is testing a new support level. Bag holders like you and I know that this break above resistance will let the stock continue to push higher as volume continues to move into the stock. Are you ready to talk about Vaxart now, ladies and gentlemen? Well, let's go. Welcome to Money Talks. It's the gems that I drop between the Money Talk Sundays episodes. I'm your investment bro, Stevie B. Special shout out to all you new subscribers, all the new listeners I have on the podcast, streaming on Apple, Google, Anchor, wherever you listening. I see you guys. I see the numbers. There's been a surge in the numbers over the last 48 to 72 hours. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. We're doing this. You know the business. Run that like, share, and subscribe. And if you are a VXRT bag holder, you definitely want to subscribe. This is a special edition of our Vaxart Watch. Let's get it. Now, as you can see on this chart, VXRT is making moves and breaking past its resistance level. You know how they say today's price is not tomorrow's price? Well, yesterday's resistance is today's support for VXRT, Vaxart. Things are trending favorably, and now is definitely a time to grab up more shares of Vaxart before you get priced out. The stock is trading above the 50-day moving average, and that's that green line that you see right there, and is moving above the 200-day moving average. That's that blue line right there, and it's indicating that the sentiment in VXRT stock, Vaxart stock, looks to be turning bullish. Secret between you and I, what they don't know, we been bullish. We ain't turning bullish. We been bullish. We know what time it is. Each of these moving averages may hold a possible area of support in the future. The RSI, or Relative Strength Index, has pushed higher the past few days and now sits at 62 on the indicator. And what that means, for those who are unaware, it means that the buying pressure, it's coming. It is strongly outweighing the selling pressure in the stock. More people are buying than people that are selling. So guess what? Ignore the FUD, the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt. Get rid of it. We know what we came here for. Focus on the facts. Vaxart is a winner. Moderna CEO has already come out saying that the current vaccines out are less effective against the new Omicron COVID variant. Vaccine resistance could lead to more sickness and hospitalizations and prolong the pandemic. And those comments that he made triggered selling in growth exposed assets like oil, stocks, as well as the Australian dollar. So what here at Bros Nation, we anticipate even higher lows for VXRT. Over the next several days, expect to see above average trading volume for Vaxart stock. Now, barring some crazy out of this world act of God news, expect the stock to remain above the moving averages, continuing to trend upwards. Stay bullish, Bros Nation. I will remain bullish. I had to get us some more shares today, just seeing the strength that's coming, because it's about to pop. In the press news, when it comes to VXRT, Vaxart Incorporated announced that the company's vice president, Sean Tucker, will attend and speak at the World Vaccine and Immunotherapy Congress West Coast 2021 being held today. Now, as of this recording, it hasn't happened yet, but Bros Nation, I will let you know how it goes in an upcoming video. It's part of an award-winning series of conferences and exhibitions that's steadily rising to become the world's largest and most established vaccination events. Vaxart CEO will discuss the company's research program for an oral candidate for the COVID-19 vaccine in the form of tablets. The medicine that needs to be swallowed against coronavirus is the only oral vaccine of its kind against COVID-19, which has immunological potential, which has been confirmed. And this, mind you, because Vaxart's cornering the market right here, just off this alone. This is the only vaccine that has been conducting phase 2 clinical trials since October. Now, if you haven't done so, as a shareholder, it behooves you. I implore you. You want to stay up to date on the news coming out of the corporate office? Go to Vaxart.com, subscribe to their alerts. You'll be able to get all the alerts that they push out, whether it's SEC filings, annual and quarterly reports, so on and so on. And just results of the clinical trials. Boom. You want to get it as soon as it comes? Telling you, subscribe to their alerts. Subscribe. Just like you're doing for me. Subscribe. But ladies and gentlemen, Bros Nation, are you bullish for VXRT? Are you ready for Vaxart to break out? How long have you been holding? How long have you been waiting? Are you ready? I know I am. I'm ready for this pop. And like I told another viewer, I can easily see VXRT in the triple digits, in the low 100s, at least by summer 2023. Summer 2023. And if VXRT ain't paying out dividends, I don't know how much longer I will hold on to it, but I'm definitely going to ride this wave. This is Stevie B checking out. VXRT has me blowed right now. Let's give ourselves a round of applause because we got in early, and we riding this wave, and it's about to pop. Congratulate yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. This is what we came here for. VXRT, Vaxart, to the moon, baby. Thanks again for tuning in to Money Talks. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Let's get this money. Run this by your friends. Run this by your family. Run this by your fellow investors. And get it while the getting is good, because you will get priced out. I'd rather buy 100 shares of VXRT than 100 shares of Moderna when I ain't got the cash to do that.
Take a penny.
Telling you.
Leave a penny.
I'm out.
Stevie B. Sure. Take a penny, leave a penny, I ain't got no act right. Say you need a hit, I spit fire in a crap pipe. Road niggas beef, another episode of bum fight. Say she sprung a leak and need a plumber with my dome tight. On site, lady now, this is called a long pipe. She don't get it, guess it's gonna be another long night. Stevie don't sleep, Stevie do that over time. Stevie gon' shoot from that 3-point line. I make it in, ho. New slaves hating like I'm Django. Say she love the D, now she buy up on my Fago. Oops, I'm at Fuego.